how to connect a website to your Mailchimp account. In this video session, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Mailchimp account, whether using WordPress, Shopify, or Wix. To be able to integrate a Mailchimp to your website, you need to set up API keys and also insert a code to your website. When you log into your Mailchimp account, you'll have link for extras. Here you have API keys. You can generate a new API key by pressing Create a Key. So that's a simple process. Now, next, what we can do is press on Extras, go to Custom Website. Because using apps or plugins, you can insert your unique API key. Then, another code that you need for your Mailchimp forms to show up on your website is a JavaScript like this. You can copy that, and I'll show you WordPress example. But if you're using, let's say, Shopify, you can edit your theme. Basically, Mailchimp wants us to add that code, that JavaScript code, within our theme HTML head portion. So simply edit your theme and paste that code within head portion. Ideally, you would want to place that towards the end of head portion. I'll show you what that looks like here. So that's the end. You can see that /. So basically, if you place that code there and update your file, whether you're using WordPress or Shopify, simply edit the code. Then, once that's in there, let's update that file. And now, well, actually, because we're living in 2025 internet world, you can enable Google restricted data processing, or if you're using Mailchimp with Facebook, for example, perhaps you want to read through what's happening here, especially if you're using any of these platforms, because you can do so much with Mailchimp account. You can connect with Google Analytics, you can connect it to your Facebook business page, for example. Now, as we can see right now, it's saying, you know what, we couldn't find that code. Let's refresh the page to see what happens. As you can see, the site is now connected because it has seen that code we've added, and also it's seen our API key. Now at this stage, let me share some tips and insights with you if you're starting to use Mailchimp. The free plan is good enough for you to build momentum and your customer base, because you will need to create audiences. Audiences is where you collect the information, email address, name, and whatever else you want to collect from your website visitors. In my example, I'm still on the free plan because I've actually turned this off due to personal reasons for a couple of years ago. Now, at this stage, you create an audience, give it a name, because you can see that most plugins and apps allow you to connect the audience to your Mailchimp account. So, to be able to connect your website, whether using WordPress, Shopify, or Wix, you need your API key and you need to add a code to your website through custom website. Then, if you're not using, let's say, WordPress and so on, press on integration and then connect a new app and search the app section of Mailchimp. And then simply follow the prompts. As in get started for Shopify, you need to get the app for Shopify. But you still need to use your API key and add that code. Then create audiences, knowing that free plan is good enough to begin with. Furthermore, Mailchimp actually offers you pay-as-you-go plans as well. So once you reach the limit and quota for the free version, then you don't have to subscribe to monthly plans. Perhaps pay-as-you-go may be more ideal for your business. So that is how you connect your website to Mailchimp. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and check out the upcoming tutorials whereby I'll show you how to create the forms and integrate them on your website. And I'll talk with you in the next video session.